Ebusafo nanu ya wade ya ene busafo asem bi beto dwa se abrante bi anedi ede letter wa wote Tantra Hill wakofa obire amates wono ni pakro yere ko hye dem awmachina 2 a.m. to 3 a.m. wono no Thursday no patututu no wometime ko bona abrante ni tio ama na atona nanum ewo ensiedo na eba ye no sparky all sorts of allegations, the rumors everybody so as a month for be cry essay Jim instructors there dodo na bi suba eno wadi we hu se wo baye wo be bibi won wo kakra ana wo wari obi wo sika kwan bia so no wo de o koto kakra sori kakra no de ne san na mo sa obo ana wo do ne dem se wo no abo kasubom wo omo edem edire se dodo na esuba ena na amanfo ka bi so se wo ba no so ne fa subo no embosa se wo ba no eno onimpa se wo ware ena wo ba Jim won so ba trainer so be man no kompo na etu advance da na the moral standards so waware na so o man won kwan e ma branch the finance as at 2 a.m. to 3 a.m. ba for no show be ma fufuro edem na ko be nia bi for man for bia nsem no do musukonia no according to speculations no wo ba nim de for Ghana for bia nim no e wo man mu ebi so di abepie mu e wo mu ebi according to rumors say mami a wo ye program yi ade outdoor Maso metre ekuma mama Zimbi didi abepie mu ewo gym instructor letuya wata na nanum ewo ensedo ni nsem ye emu ebi na according to a social media commentator no be artist no and anonymous no de abekasa ewo those called celebs Instagram page watchra woni ma brante no enye ne woni ne pa finashase wo film ma menchete no so wo branya woni na abrante we woni eye Bekuma mama Zimbi ene to ma twempna achepa wo emma wo man Ghana mu ade so woni to ne papa no atwempna no Bekuma mama Zimbi ene de dikan ade se o ma twempna for 7 good years ama Jim wo kura mpa wo ye adwuma wo di ko hye oba foforo ya ba ma wu abeso no ade akono sa Jim wo kura mpa no Bekuma mama Zimbi ene je eho ede ema no na ebie mu nso no wono aso sa to motorcycles esa de pay so de man se ne kone ne ba ni mu ni ha wo fa eni ni dwuma se be ya BSB akoye man say Bekuma Zimbi ene na tnache for 7 good years eno ne abrante yi wo mo aye sugar mami sugar san aye say sad be abrante ti for na chieti no obi foforo yi wato na nam ewo ense do ne busafo ye be ko eye anonymous social media commentator yi ne nsemo de ebetu dwa ne ba caption aye those call celebs so edit to asel makenkan bi adi amamo na answer no kwa pon me kam say edwumako bi eso ya say ma ye di edwumate epremu o chat ye herbal center ya be bia wo so en fa won na ya reni sifate en fi do edu oni pedue mo eni se ne di nya akosi se ne tie bia pomotia fa numbers na egu ase ho na fre ebia na biem so pomotia pomoche kwan e wodan suman o maso ye bako e wo akra ya ebiem so tamale o mutawa so e fofo e wo na okodo maso mo de aban ena bibido be sa ya re ma won so nya pomodin ade abo wo bra na ti pomodia na chone so na fa numbers no na fre wo mo na ye ko eye ensem no emu no sei ena nipa no ede ebetu do say mommy please the gym guy no I know him personally he's dating Bekuma mama Zimbi she rents the place for the gym guy she even bought motorcycles for the guy he has shopped Bekuma for 7 years even yesterday Bekuma was there when the incident happened that's Bekuma sugar boy that guy called Leto that's the name they call him. There were 2 sugar mummies fighting over him, including Bekuma. There's a abrante mapem. Na kwa say mam yenu na ekono so. I say to say ba kukunu ene koboni tu ana osuma manfo ban koboni tu ataso wo born entrene echeye. I say when tie bono na say enam so mo koboni tu abato na nanom ewo ensero ensem no aboliti for that so aye emu ehwemu na yesabe yenkohwe those called celebs so ono so caption na wode to asem was say hey young man why you see where your lazy occupation has taken you to You know what? I just feel shy and my words are gone. I'm shaking typing this simple because I feel sorry for your soul. I know sometimes it's not you guys' fault. You would be training people with a very clean mind, but you end up sleeping with them. That's the power of women. They will do anything to destroy one's life. You shouldn't fall for anything, okay? It's not easy. I know it's not easy, but you gotta. May your gentle soul rest in peace. In your next world, if you think that your cock is worrying you, don't choose this lazy occupation, okay? Go out and sell charcoal. People are gonna think that all gym guys are the same. Meanwhile, they are not. Would you ever pa na meye ni amount for boys attempts why? And the celebrity name in it there, whom am I? Cause it's alleged RIP. And only those called celebs or also the captioner. What the F1 and Semna anonymous social media commentator able to join when the page no so names of form seven no say the bubo abemunu generate amount for share nim say kuma mazindi oba abonti obedi atuma na so obedi na but in yemu no say na si faten rumors hearsay obi no aba efini baby who knows say maybe ono so ni wasem no opekwan bi the attention di ana say some year no credit and this is the yentimi enche but in yemu no goes back to tell us say say obi yire die mesaka esisutua obi ri ana obi kunu wuntimi enkofa enye wodi ada ubitu so akwesa boy a ogutu gosu enya nde so yade ankosa ne bepai epe obehun senya ne ba ene was ene biem so no bible kra ka kire o proverbs say wudi oba a waware nechi adulterous woman nechi a wuwo kwan so ene wona mti mema ba me fa jimi twata de no kwa na maka se jimi status nya na tisa da bi mema wo mu nhye ne so ne wo mu enhye wo mu akasa kono eso wo mu nhye so na tese wo mu hwe na wo mu enkipi control over more akono de so that say e ma de owu atu akase ene no nim se we de no to no esen bibia we hu da no bo hotna ube yuswe we no foforo aba to kase esen no aba de bia oba foforo epie e ba appointment wo a wo ye be ma na ba sha kono so se oka se o de bibia obehu bia obedi echi na kodu obi yire echi dia obi die na aba enche na se wo de ne di so ayebeka ewo eye fidei asuntina se nsem no aha NMDAC wo wutie mu nsem wa dwenche fa wo ene se bomodi a ne fato e wo comment section e bi no share video we on all the social media platforms. Follow Tuma GH or Instagram, Twitter so at Tuma GH _ Facebook Tuma GH and I'm also enemy me nsem no esi ha na me ya do my message share be makramu ni bye.